Classification methods have developed over time due to developments in biology. For the exam, you should appreciate that scientific methods and theories develop over time, resulting in new classification methods. So what specifically has led to this? This is due to improvements in both microscopes and our understanding of biochemical processes. With the invention of better microscopes, such as electron microscopes, we can see biochemical processes occurring at a scale we couldn't observe before, and this is supported by improved methods of chemical analysis. Due to this, new models of classification were proposed.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy-to-follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Biology course. See you there!